everyone, welcome to my video with me Kadek Gusirawan here. Today I want to tell you how to make beautiful wall accessories. But before you watch this video, don't forget to like this video guys. So let's start to make it.
The material are glue gun, plastic spoon, pudding spoon, scissor, clock, with carton. Let's start to make it. The first step is measure carton according to the size of the clock. Make it like a circle. Cut it. Second, cut the spoon pudding like this. And then cut the plastic spoon like this. Cut the second plastic spoon like this. And let the few plastic spoon intact. Here are some size of all spoons. Next, glue the spoon A like this. And also glue the spoon B, spoon C, and spoon D like spoon A. Make the same circle shape as before. The last, glue the clock with the accessories. Beautiful clock accessories ready to make your room more beautiful.
So that's all about my videos today. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like this video guys.